In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to showcase your research on your LinkedIn profile, specifically for doctoral students and postdocs. Whether you're just beginning to craft your professional online presence or looking to enhance your current profile, these steps will guide you through the process of making your academic achievements stand out. First, you need to navigate to LinkedIn by going to linkedin.com. If you haven't already logged in, you'll want to do so. You can sign in using either your Google or Microsoft account for a quicker process, or you can stick with your email address and password. If you're using two-factor authentication, which is a great way to secure your account, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity by sending a code to your phone. Simply enter the code when prompted to proceed. Once you're logged in and on your main LinkedIn feed, look to the upper right corner of your screen and find your avatar picture. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu from which you want to select View Profile. This takes you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page where all the magic happens. To highlight your research and scholarly contributions, start by clicking on the Add Profile section button located right under your profile picture. This feature is your gateway to customizing your profile to reflect your academic journey. You'll find various options here, so let's navigate those together. Under this section, there's an opportunity to showcase a wealth of information related to your doctoral journey. You can upload details about your certifications, any publications you've authored, and of course, your research. Each of these elements builds credibility and highlights your expertise and contributions to your field. Additionally, if you haven't already listed your doctoral studies, you should add this information as well. This can be done in the Education section found under the Core tab. Including details about your doctoral program not only provides context for your research, but also emphasizes your educational background to potential employers, colleagues, or collaborators viewing your profile. By following these steps, you ensure that your profile stands out and effectively communicates your professional narrative. A well-curated LinkedIn profile can serve as a powerful tool in expanding your network, gaining professional opportunities, and showcasing the hard work you've invested in your academic pursuits. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to showcase your research on LinkedIn. Be sure to save your changes and view your profile to ensure everything appears as intended. Keep your profile updated regularly with new publications or achievements to maintain its relevance and continue building your professional brand. Thanks for watching and good luck on your LinkedIn journey.